What almost none of these influencers will share with you is that making money is not an overnight thing. It takes time, it can take patience, it takes effort, and it frequently takes a lot of knowledge and build-up. You hear about these overnight successes, and yet most of the time, they have been building up over the past 5 or 10 years, maybe even more. And it's taken them that long before they eventually explode and grow to be massive, or before you hear about them. It took me like 8 years before you could even call me an overnight success. Yeah, overnight. Only took 8 years. Either way, you have to be willing to actually work. You can't just go and spend 5 minutes and then in a week have $1 million business. That's not how real life normally works. Sure, occasionally you can get lucky, but most people do not have that. If you want to learn more and want to learn how to actually grow a business and not just get lucky, follow us for more.